Want to edit your videos faster, smarter, and like a pro, even if you're a beginner? In this video, I'll show you how to use powerful AI tools that can handle everything from cutting footage, adding subtitles, to creating cinematic effects automatically. Stick around, because I'll even walk you through a sample project using these tools step by step. Sample video project. Title: Day in the Life AI Style. Goal: create a vlog-style video using AI for cutting, subtitles, music, and color grading. Part 1. AI video editing tools you need. 030 to 130. Here are the AI tools we'll use today. 1. Runway ML for automatic video editing, object removal, green screen. 2. Descript to edit videos like documents and add auto subtitles. 3. Pictory to turn long videos into short, social-ready content. 4. CapCut AI for mobile editing, background music sync, effects. 5. Adobe Premiere Pro with Sensei AI for advanced AI-assisted editing. 6. ElevenLabs or PlayHT for AI voiceover optional. 7. Lumen 5 or InVideo for converting text to engaging VID. Part 2. Step-by-step editing using AI tools. 1:30 to 5 o'clock. Step 1. Auto cut and scene detection. Tool: Runway ML or Wisecut. Upload your raw footage. Use remove silences or smart cut to instantly cut boring parts. No more scrubbing through hours of footage. Runway or Wisecut can cut your talking head video in minutes. Step 2. Add subtitles automatically. Tool: Descript or CapCut AI. Upload video to Descript. Auto-generate subtitles and edit video by editing the text. Export with subtitles burned in or as separate .srt files. AI-generated subtitles are not just fast, they're also surprisingly accurate. Edit your words and the video updates too. Step 3. Add background music and sync to mood. Tool: CapCut AI or SoundDraw.io. Use AI music recommendation feature. Choose mood, relaxed, upbeat, etc. CapCut syncs the music automatically to your cuts. This turns a plain video into an emotional story without lifting a finger. Step 4. Auto color grade or apply filters. Tool: Runway ML or Premiere Pro Sensei. Run auto color correction or style transfer. Choose LUTs or filters for a cinematic feel. Want your video to look like a Netflix documentary? AI can do that in one click. Step 5. Turn into social media shorts. Tool: Pictory or Opus Clip. Upload your long video. AI finds the best clips, adds captions, and resizes for Instagram or TikTok. Now you got 3 to 4 pieces of short-form content to post on every platform, all from one video. Part 3. Example: let's make one together. Let's edit a day in my life vlog. I'll show you the original footage and how each AI tool transforms it step by step. Upload raw footage to Wisecut. Add subtitles in Descript. Add AI voiceover using ElevenLabs. Sync with music in CapCut. Auto grade in Premiere AI. Turn clips into shorts using Pictory. Part 4. Recap and recommendations. So here's a quick recap of how AI helped us create an awesome video in less time. Tool recap: smart cutting, Wisecut, subtitles/editing, Descript, music/effects, CapCut AI, color grading, Runway/Premiere, voiceover, ElevenLabs, social media short, Pictory, outro plus CTA. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI-powered tutorials. And if you want the full workflow, download